Hi, I am Rahul. We are a group of four working on developing a bike rental management system, and my role is a front-end developer. And my team members are Mukram as a back-end developer, and Ibrahim as a project manager, and Aslam Ali as a tester. And these are the starting date and ending dates of Sprint 1. So today I will be presenting the progress of our development, and we divided the development process into three sprints. And currently we have accomplished the sprint one. We have worked up approximately nearly 3 weeks for the developing the sprint one, and nearly 32 hours have been worked individually. These are some of the user stories that we have developed in the sprint one. As an admin, I want to able to log in the admin dashboard using my email and password. As an admin, I want to able to view and manage all registered vehicle owners and user on the platform. As a vehicle owner, I want to able to sign up for a few accounts using my email address and password. As a vehicle owner, I want to be able to log in to my account using my email and password. As a vehicle owner, I want to receive a password reset link to my registered email address. And as an admin, I want to be able to see a list of blocked users and the reasons for the block. So these are some of the user stories that we have developed in the Sprint one. So these are some of the in this slide, I'm going to explain about the feedbacks of our supervisor and client. They have told that to add the user verification using license of the user and add vehicle number plate. And this has been done in the Sprint one. And these are some of the evidences that we have done in the Sprint one. So this is how owner panel dashboard is going to be look like. A owner can view the listed vehicles, total bookings, and listed brands of the vehicles. For suppose if a owner wanted to add a vehicle, he can by filling these details he can add a vehicle. Like he have to select the title of the vehicle, select brand, vehicle overview, and price of the day in price per the day, select fuel type, model year, and seating capacity of the vehicle. This is how the owner panel looks like. This is how the how many listed brands and the creation date of the vehicle and the updation date of the vehicle. And here for if suppose if a owner added vehicle successfully, this is how the panel is going to be look like. If it is successful, here he can see the 390 vehicle title like 390K Duke and brand KTM, and price per day is like 50, and fuel type is petrol, and the model year is 2023. And in the next panel, here we can see the user adding a license, and he can update his password and phone number, anything from this portal. Here, this is how the admin page is going to be look like. He can have the access like for both the users and registered users and like registered users and owners as well. This is the view registered users panel look like. He can see the name and email address contacts of the user, and he can see the name, email address, contacts of the owners. So coming to the next slide. So this is so what did I have accomplished in the past sprint? So worked on PHP logic implementations of various web pages, PHP logic for login and register operations, role-based login and session management, perform database operations, inserting, updating, and visualizing data. Visualizing vehicle data and on owner interface, enabling searching and filtering, admin size view user, manage user and search filter operations. So how did I apply stream specific knowledge to my project? Knowledge of PHP syntax, semantics for writing server-side logic, knowledge of MVC, model view controller, architecture for building scalable and maintainable web applications. Knowledge of session management and authentication mechanism for securing user data and preventing unauthorized access. Knowledge of MySQL and other SQL databases for handling data storage and retrieval. This has been developed with the help of Mukram of a backend developer. Knowledge of Azure and other JavaScript libraries for building dynamic and interactive users interfaces. What did I learn from the past sprint? How to write server-side logic using PHP to implement various functionalities of our web pages, and how to implement role-based login and session management for our securing user data and managing user access. How to perform database operations such as inserting and updating our validation using SQL, and how to use SQL XAMPP server tools. Creating, importing, exporting database and data tables. What could have gone better in the sprint one? Designing of adding vehicles can be modified to add multiple vehicles. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.